smoking crack, a goddamn crack pipe.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to I Seen That Reaction Channel. I'm your boy, Mr. I Seen That. And if you're here on this channel for the first time, make sure you give this reaction video a like. Make sure you comment on this reaction video. And definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can be aware the next time I drop my next reaction video. What's up, y'all? Man, we gotta do better. We gotta do better. There is no reason for you to just be on a bus just lighting up. It's bad enough you lighting up crack, but you on a bus? You just couldn't wait till you got to wherever you was going. You just had to light up. Need to get you some help. Need to get you some help, man. But anyway, with that being said, y'all, we gonna be reacting to a man lights up crack in the back of the bus. Don't nobody want to be smelling that, bruh. Like, how you just gonna light up in the back of the bus? This is crazy. This probably gotta be somewhere in New York. Only a crackhead that strong-minded gonna do something like that, I think. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this reaction and see what's going on, y'all.
Excuse me, sir. This motherfucker is on the bus smoking a goddamn crack pipe.
Yo! Hold up. Yo, buddy got his feet all up, just comfortable smoking crack. If you go, man, hold up, let me run this back. Look at him. That boy got their feet up. Man, really? Come on, man. And there's people all on the bus. It ain't like it's, 2 o'clock in the morning. Ain't nobody on the bus but you and your pipe and the driver. I could see that. But during the day, like, and there's mad people on the bus, crackhead don't care. They trying to get high.
This motherfucker is on the bus smoking a goddamn crack pipe. Stupid ass shit. And y'all gonna sit there. Can you open this door, please? He back here smoking crack on the bus. Can you let me out, please?
She done aired that boy out. What's wrong with Buddy hair, man? That boy looking like Mr. Glass. That boy Samuel L. Jackson. That boy hair all over the place. That boy. is fucking crack at the back of the bus. Yo, this cat is wildin', man. You got all these women in the back, man. That boy in there straight hot boxing the crack rock. Clearly these everybody on the bus probably got masks on. He ain't got no mask on. That boy ain't got no mask on. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. Totally unacceptable.
He back here smoking crack on the bus. Can you let me out, please? Motherfucking crackhead. Can you let me off the bus back here? This motherfucker is smoking crack on the goddamn bus.
And that boy fever. That boy. First he was like, oh, let me straighten up. Now he just back comfortable, feet up, like he don't care. In all honesty, man, like for real, this is sad, man. This is sad that he doing this to himself. And this is sad that, hey, they say secondhand smoke can kill you. People don't even want to be around somebody who's smoking cigarettes. You ain't smoking cigarettes. You ain't smoking no weed. Bro, you up here smoking that rock. Causing secondhand crack smoke. Like, gotta do better, man. But this cat, man, hey, if he out here like that and he don't care, man. I'm laugh, man. It's funny, man. But we gotta do better. He gotta do better. This cat needs some help, man. But hey, it's entertaining to me. Sad at the same time. Sorry to say.
The goddamn bus.
And that boy lighting up again.
This motherfucker on the bus smoking crack, a goddamn crack pipe on Chicago Avenue. Chicago Avenue, y'all. Smoking crack. It's fucking crazy to me.
Alright, y'all, we back. Well, I guess it was in New York. Buddy was up in Chicago in the back of the bus just... Hey, that's the first for me. Like, I ain't never heard or seen anything like that. And it seems like that lady, like, that's probably the first time she done seen something like that. Especially seeing it with her own two eyes and everybody else just still on the bus, just riding, just... Nah, man, hell nah. Buddy back there just hotboxing, crack, like... Hell nah, Buddy wildin', man, for real. And he don't care about nothing, nothing. I'm just gonna light up this rock. Light this rock up and get high. Dumb high. Then next thing you know, he gonna be asleep on the bus. Well, no, he ain't gonna be asleep. I forgot. Cause when you smoke crack, you don't sleep. You be up for days. Like, man, that's crazy. Hey, But that's all I got for y'all on this reaction. So, if you're here on this channel for the first time, make sure you give this video a like. Go ahead and give this video a like for your boy, man. Go ahead, leave this video a comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you can be aware the next time your boy, Mr. ICNet, drops his next reaction video. And to all my day one, my loyal subscribers and my new subscribers, y'all know the vibe. Peace.